Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing on this Tuesday morning? It's so cold today and it's so cloudy here in America and in Denver. So it's so cold today. You can really feel that the winter is coming in. So friends, today I'll be telling you the benefits of cardamom, and cardamom looks like this. It looks like this. I'll just open it and show you too. So green cardamom has a lot of benefits. It's fallen. It wanted to come out. So this is how green cardamom looks. So you all will be doing this in your immunity drinks and making tea out of it. But today I'll tell you the real advantages and what and all happens just with eating just two cardamoms every night and drinking a glass of warm water after that. So I'll just tell you all the benefits, friends. Friends, green cardamom is very useful and it's very beneficial because it has potassium, magnesium, B1, B6, and enough amounts of vitamin C too. And if you take two cardamoms, just two cardamoms in the night before you sleep, and drink warm water after that, it will give you so many benefits. Your skin becomes good and clear, clean and clear. Your hairs become shinier, and it is so much of health benefit. People, of course, drink it in their chai. I have already showed you how I have my chai and how much cardamom, and I had made you all my spices which I put, and cardamom was one of it. People who have a very big stomach or a fat stomach which doesn't looks good at all, if people start eating every day two cardamoms with a glass of warm water, their appetite will become so good in their digestion. If you eat little, it will give you a feeling that, oh, you've eaten enough, and your unwanted skin will just melt off easily through your midsection, through your stomach area. So that's one good thing which happens, and you can lose weight near your tummy and the back of your tummy. Eating cardamoms every day before you sleep, which I've told you to eat two cardamoms with glass of water, will also help you in relieving good constipation. Also, you'll not be constipated, you'll not be bloated, and it will help you in getting rid of excess toxins in your body too. Eating cardamom even gives you a good circulation of your blood flow, and it gives a good glow to your skin too. And cardamoms are very good for a man and a woman, and I can say this because when people have problems in going to the restroom and they get urination like after every 5 minutes, they have to use the restroom after every 10 minutes. That solution also will go off, and it will give you a good relief from it. And if you feel that you're peeing often, and if your pee is getting stopped after peeing and you're not getting a good flow of pee also, that will make your pee also become regular, and you'll see that you'll not be going to the restroom as often as you used to go. And people who do have insomnia problem and they don't get sleep in the night, once you start taking it within 2 or 3 days of taking cardamom with warm water, you'll feel that, oh, you're sleeping much better and you're not having that insomnia problem anymore, and you'll go to bed on time and wake up on time. Cardamom is also a stress booster, friends. How much ever stress you have, you just eat this and your stress is gone. And many people eat as a mouth freshener too, and it is very good for your throat and your mouth also, and it gives you a good relaxation. Once you eat that cardamom only, you feel that, oh, I'm feeling so good in my throat, and it creates a good mouth fragrance also, and you won't be embarrassed in talking in front of people, and this is also very good for your mouth freshener too. Hello friends, again I'm here with the new remedy and a nice house kitchen remedy. These are cardamoms, as you all know, green cardamoms. You want to have a fresh breath, you don't like chewing gums, just have one of these, put it into your mouth, and it acts like an mouth freshener. So it is very safe, very effective. Just put it into your mouth, and people, when you go in front of people and you talk, and some people will be doing like this, people will not do this because you already have a cardamom. I always keep this, and I never had any problem of bad breath or something. This gives a very good feeling in your mouth also. Once you have eaten some onion, garlic, or whatever, this helps you in having a fresh breath always. So just keep some cardamom. I think cardamom even gives you good healthy bones, friends, and it is very good for the men because if men have low sperm count, this will help you in getting good sperm count. And if you have a problem regarding this, you can really start eating this, and you'll feel that when you go to your doctor, the doctor will say, wow, it has improved a lot. So it's good for having a good sperm count also. And this is an infertility remedy too, so this will help you in many things, friends. So I've told you so much about all these benefits. I hope these benefits are useful, and you feel that yeah, you should know more about cardamom. This is all the things which I knew from my grandparents, and also it really helps. And I like to drink cardamom chai and elaichi chai. In India it is called. So I become of happy with 1 cup of elaichi chai, but as I always put so many things in my chai, I'll give you a description also of my immunity drink and how I make my chai. So friends, if you like this video of cardamoms, please like it, share it, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, sending you lots of love. Bye.